Well, I think we'll take off down the field road. This one's probably a bit rougher than the other one was. We'll go out and see how Dad's coming along with the combining. What was that ran into the trees? I thought I saw some animal there. Probably imagining it. Oh, better watch out here. It's kind of a jungle out here when there's a lot of corn around. It's pretty open after everything's been picked though and plowed. Looks like, I don't know if you had beans, it must be around the edge here or not. The tractor and the disc sitting on the end of the field. Chuck's corn ahead of us. Chuck Flame. Looks like he's parked at the end of the field to unload. Had some problems with the electricals in that old combine last night and he had to quit early. A lot of volunteer corn was in those beans this year. Looks like every time I duke over there I get off the road. Well, it's sitting there running. I wonder what's going on. I wonder what's going on over here. Sitting in there fighting with something. What's he doing? Unless the machine broke down at all. The pin on the header over on this side was broke off earlier today, we noticed, and we had to make one. You can see the quick and dirty job we did right there out of an old bolt and a piece of rod. Oh, he's shifting gears. Waving goodbye. That's an old 68, that combine, and a lot of hours on it. Not too reliable anymore. It seems to break down quite a bit from wear. It's got another newer one that he uses for corn the last couple of years. I only had a lot of trouble with the oil running out of the motor though. It's still not quite fixed yet. Hopefully it'll be ready to go pretty quick here. See, I don't know if he put anything in the wagon or not. Maybe something in here, and we'll take a look. Well, there are some beans in here. How do they look? Apparently lost a lot of bushels because of the sudden frost we had last month. This thing seems to have trouble focusing on these beans. Find the footing here. There how Chuck's corn looks. Yeah, feels pretty damn dry. It's been a pretty dry fall. We haven't had much rain to speak of, so it's not a muck hole yet. Not that it won't be or can't be, but that's why the goal is to get the crop out before the rain hits so that you can't get it plowed or something. Yeah, the beans are rather short this year because of the frost smoked off the tops. We had a pretty severe frost about 3 weeks ago, which kind of caught everything when it wasn't quite ready yet. Beans seem pretty dry as well. No mushy beans. They are a little small looking though. Well, I think we'll wait for him to get back on that round, and then maybe we can go for a little ride with him. Well, he's coming back to this end of the field again. I don't know if I'll stop for a ride on the combine because I need to get back up to Fargo. Started a new job up there in August after having been at Zytec in Redwood Falls for a while. So getting about 5 o'clock, so I need to get going. It takes 3 hours or so to get there. And I don't want to get there real late and be completely tired tomorrow. Although I probably will be anyhow. I don't know how the beans are doing as far as running for yield this year. You can see Dad in the cab up there. I don't know if he waved at or just was tweaking the lever. I can't really tell from here. Wouldn't want to fall in there now, would we? Looks like he's going to get out. Well, let's go see what's going on. What is he saying up there? I can't quite hear.
It's looking good. It's like going down right here. Better put him on record, boy. He's lost away pretty quick. Been around so many years that older than I am tackling it.
No. So nothing's broke, huh?
Well, I got a stuck sickle that I couldn't figure it out for a long time.
Oh, why is that?
The bolt came loose and it worked up and the sickle hit it and I couldn't find any chunks or dope or anything in it.
Oh.
Heck of a time, buddy.
Huh.
Well,
So all the beans.
how are the beans? There's beans out there, but boy, you got guys going only about that long. Crazy. No, they could be better. They froze them. So they're about 8-10 bushels less than normal.